Okay, if you have a YouTube channel or thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I'm about to use Perplexity to show you how to optimize your YouTube video. Meaning after you finish editing your video, right? You getting ready to upload your video, right? How can you once you already have your title, how can you come with a nice description, hashtags, tags, and to put in your video, right? Check this out. I even have a template on how to come up with the best YouTube titles based on a simple idea. Like if you say, that will be for another video. Let's focus on optimizing your video right now, right? So the very first thing, I'm using Perplexity right now. I will create a video soon on this channel to show you what is Perplexity. Of course, I can tell you what is Perplexity. Perplexity, to me, it's better than Google search. Of course, Google is a good company, but why do I say it's better? Because instead, once you type in something in Google search, it comes up with multiple results. Now you have to go and read each result. Perplexity take all these results and combine them into one. So instead of having to read 20, 30 articles, I can just read one article with the references right next to them. Right next to it. Understand what I'm saying? It's like it will save you time. Anything that can save me time as an entrepreneur, it's a plus. Okay, and I think it will be for you too as well. Right? Okay, how can I optimize my YouTube videos with Perplexity? Okay, here as you can see this little search bar here, I would go here and type in this, right? Please generate an optimized script for YouTube videos to rank in the search result for this title. Then I would enter my title. How to make money and with TikTok in 2025. Let's say that's my title, right? That's my title. If that's my title, the main keyword would be how to make money on TikTok, right? That would be the main keyword. Main keyword, or maybe how to make money in TikTok without the in 2025. That would be the main keyword. Now I'm going to copy the entire prompt for this. There you go. Please generate an optimized script for YouTube videos to rank in the search result for this title. How to make money with TikTok in 2025 is just an example. That's not the real title. I just want to show you. You get the point. Now the main keyword would be keywords to focus on how to make money with TikTok. Forget the 2025. Now I give it a context on how I want it to write the description, right? Keep the exact same format as the script example that will be provided, right? Generate 20 keywords for the tags and 5 hashtags at the end of the script. Here's the script example. You could put your own script example, but this was mine, right? And I don't want to go through it, but I'm going to click go. This is my prompt. You could copy and paste it, do what you want to do with it, right? As you can see here, this is the description it created for me. In this video, I'm sharing actionable strategies for how to make money with TikTok in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, and the list goes on. As you can see, this is a beautiful description. Now it gave me about 20 keywords that I can put in the keyword. I'm sorry. Yeah, 20 keywords that I can put in the tag section. People say tags don't matter, but if you're just starting out, just put in the tags. Put in the tags. It won't hurt you. Then it gives me the hashtag to put at the bottom of the description, because you can also search videos by hashtags on YouTube, right? Now this is how I optimize my description, because I don't just want to upload a video with a blank description, blank tag. That's it. No, the more keywords you have, or the more words that is in your description describing what the video is about, it's more likely you will appear in search. Because remember, the search engine don't know what your video about until you tell the search engine what your video is about. Unless you already got a good fan base. Now they already know what your channel about, so now it's easier for them. But if you starting brand new, or you not where you want to be, I would use that strategy, right? Excuse me. So yeah, this is what I use, Perplexity, and this is how I optimize my YouTube vid. Now I wish I could have pulled something up to give you an example. Uh, be patient. I'm going to show you something, right? Be a little patient with me. As a matter of fact, I think I'll do that in another video. I'll do that in another video. Now, if you made it this far to this video, this is what I want you to do, right? Whatever problems you're dealing with right now in your business, content creation journey, whatever it is, say, hey, by the way, my name is Luke. Say, Luke, I have this problem. Create a video on how I can solve it. If I know how to solve it, I will create that video and save you the time of doing research, and the list goes on. That's how much I want this channel to dedicate to helping you. Yes, I'm talking to you. Look at me, look at me. I'm talking to you. By the way, nice to meet you, and I'll see you in the next video.